What's up, everybody? It's the most wonderful time of the year. We're about to deck the halls, stuff our faces with cookies, and of course shower our loved ones with gifts. But guys, we got to talk about doing all that with an eco-friendly twist. This year, let's make sure our celebrations are kind to the planet too. We're going to be unwrapping some seriously awesome eco-friendly Christmas hacks that'll have you saying ho 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 for all the right reasons. Get ready to learn how to have the greenest Christmas ever without sacrificing any of the holiday cheer. We're talking sustainable decorations, epic gift-giving ideas, and so much more. Okay, first up, let's talk about wrapping paper. You know, that mountain of crumpled paper we all end up with after every gift opening frenzy? Let's be real, most of that ends up straight in the trash. This year, let's ditch the disposable stuff and try something way cooler and better for the planet. Think reusable wrapping paper. It's a game changer. You can find some seriously stylish options online or get crafty and make your own. We're talking beautiful fabrics, cool bandanas, even newspaper print tied up with twine. It looks awesome, and it's a gift in itself. Plus, imagine the look on your family's faces when they realize they can use the wrapping again and again. Talk about starting a new tradition. Next up, the Christmas tree. Nothing beats that fresh pine scent, but before you hit up those plastic tree pop-up shops, let's talk about the real deal. Real Christmas trees are the way to go for an eco-friendly celebration. I know what you're thinking. But, Mr. Odyssey, what about cutting down trees? Listen, real Christmas trees are grown on farms specifically for the holidays. They actually help absorb carbon dioxide while they're growing, which is a win for the planet. Plus, once Christmas is over, you can recycle your tree and it can be turned into mulch or used for erosion control. It's a full-circle, eco-friendly holiday tradition. Chapter 3. Let's be real, one of the best parts of Christmas is decorating with twinkling lights. But those old-school incandescent lights can be a real energy drain. Time to make the switch to LED Christmas lights, guys. LED lights use way less energy, which means you'll save money on your electricity bill. Plus, they last way longer, so you won't have to replace them every year. Talk about a win-win, and don't even get me started on the color options with LEDs. You can go classic warm white, multicolor, even those cool twinkling ones. Let your creativity shine bright this Christmas. Chapter 4. Okay, now for my favorite part, decorations. Instead of buying a bunch of new stuff, why not get crafty and make your own decorations? It's way more fun, and it's a great way to use up materials you already have around the house. We're talking pine cone ornaments, salt dough decorations, paper snowflakes. The possibilities are endless. You can even use old Christmas cards to make gift tags or garlands. Get the whole family involved and turn it into a fun holiday activity. Plus, nothing beats the feeling of showing off your unique, handmade decorations to your friends and family. Chapter 5. Let's talk about gifts. We all love getting presents, but sometimes the best gifts aren't material things. This year, think outside the box and give the gift of an experience. It could be anything from concert tickets to a cooking class to a weekend getaway. Experiences create lasting memories and they don't create any waste. And hey, if you're set on giving physical gifts, consider shopping second-hand or vintage. You can find some seriously unique and awesome gifts that are way better for the planet than buying new. Ultra, that's a wrap on our eco-friendly Christmas hacks. I hope these tips have inspired you to have the greenest and greatest Christmas yet. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference when it comes to protecting our planet. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. From all of us here, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy, and eco-friendly holiday season.